Okay, good evening all. So last day what we were discussing is we were discussing about Word, MS Word, the basic tools, basically how can we apply a basic style, right? That is in the home tab in Word. So that is what we discussed last day. So let me open the book now and we have few toolbars to discuss today. So let's do add that quickly and then we can move to an activity after discussing these tools. Okay, let me move to the chapter. This is where we were discussing. Yes, it's here. Right, we have discussed about these tools last day, and today we need to learn about the other tools. Right. So we learn how to install a font and how to apply a new font style that we did last day. Then in today's lesson, so we will learn more font styles. So as we discussed last day, we learned how we can change the font as well as the font size. And to highlight the font, or you can use like more strong font by bolding that. So how do we bold? Right? To bold, we have to select the font. Then the shortcut is, what is the shortcut? It is
Control B.
Control B. Yes. The shortcut. Control B will allow you to bold. And italic. So what is the shortcut? Control I for italic. Underline.
Control U.
Control U. So that is easy to remember. That is the same letter. B or Control B for bold. Press it again will remove the boldness. I will make it italic. Press it again will remove the italicness. Underline, and it can be removed by again pressing the same. And this small arrow can be used to select the underline style. So underline style can be changed. To do that, you can use the small arrow in front of letter U. Then again, there's important one, that is strike through. So strike through is used to cut something. So why do we need to cut? Okay, let's say there's something like this. So, and okay, let's say another one like this. And let's see, this has cut down. So what is the meaning of this?
That we have to cut.
That means the new price is 99 rupees, not 100.
Yeah, it was 100, but it has changed to
99.
So that indicates a change, right? So we can simply delete, but deleting will not indicate the change. To indicate that that has changed, so we are using the strike through, and so in front of that we write the changed or the new one. So that is to indicate there is a change. There was a change.
Can you show that button, please?
That is this one, AB, this AB one strike. Okay. Then there are two more buttons. So that is to show, one is to show the base. So here if I indicate like this, it says 198 and base is 16. So that is to indicate the base. The other one is to indicate the power. Let's say 2 to the power 8. If you want to show that, you're using 2 superscripted 8 to show the power. This is to show the base and this is to show the power. Let's say I want to write some binary number like this. You already learned in grade 8. So then the base can be shown like this, right? The base and power. These are also very important concepts. I hope, yes, this is increase in font size and decrease in font size. So that is to increase the overall font size, the selected font size. Overally, it will increase the font and it will decrease the font when you decrease. Okay, then another important thing, that is change case. So it will allow you to use sentence case, the first letter capital, it will allow you to change after typing, right? After typing, lowercase, all letters lowercase, uppercase, all letters capital, and capitalize each word. Each word, the beginning of the first letter is capital. Then toggle case is the reverse. First letter is simple. That means after typing, also you can change the capital simpleness of the sentence or letter or selection. So that can be done using change case. Right. So shall we write down these points? I hope if there are anything difficult, please let me know, then I can explain again. If anything difficult, please let me know. I'll explain again. Is there anything? Is there anything or clear?
Clear,
Right.
sir.
Okay, I hope.
Yes.
Right, okay. Then let's move to
Yes,
the,
sir.
yeah, let's move to the note. Okay, please write down this in your note. So this can be written just after this toolbar. Just after the toolbar, you can write down this in your note, add it to your note. If you have not taken the note, let me know. Or please let Miss Lakmali know. She will provide that. Bold. Will make the selected text more strong. The shortcut is Control B. Will convert the selected text to italic. Underline. Will draw a line under the selected text. This Control U. You can select underline styles by pressing small arrow in front of letter U. Strike through indicates there is a change in the message, in a message. Used to show small top aligned text. Example, power of a number. base of the number is?
Sir, when we are strike through, sir, the text is getting bold, sir, right?
No, not actually. So when you strike through, it's not bolding. So you can see insert, format text strike through. So it's normal, right? It's not bolding. So
Okay, sir, thank you.
that is actually, I have bolded, that's wrong. It's not bold. When I cut and paste like from Word to Google Doc, it has automatically applied that bold in style, but need to remove that. Change case. Will allow you to capitalize and make and also to convert into simple letters based on the requirement. There are 5 cases. So what are they? So these are the cases under this. So let me add that to the note. Please draw this as well. This is what the change case. So let me know once you're done. What are the next set of tools? Right. This set is over. So there are a few to tell, right? So this is actually to change the font color. This is to change the highlight color, right? Change the highlight color of the text, and this is to change the font color. So that I couldn't tell. Actually, you don't need to write down them. So because that is easy, you can easily remember. So if you select, so this can be used to change the highlight color. You can see different highlight colors are available to you. When you change, the text will be highlighted. But remember that the spaces will not be highlighted, text only highlighting this. So let's say you have some spaces and you are trying to highlight, it will only highlight the text, right? In between spaces will be highlighted, but if there is a space in front, so here, so you can see, this is how you have to highlight. But if you try to highlight this, no, right? If you try to highlight space, highlight, but tab won't be highlighted here. Tab won't be highlight, only highlight in the space, right? Spaces will be highlighted, only the characters, right? But if you press tab key, won't be highlighted. Here also, if you press tab key, here actually it's applied, but it's not in the front. Anyway, highlighting will give a color, background color to the text. But you can do another thing. You have limited set of colors here, no? But if you can use fill color, you can apply any color as the background. Right? Even for the text, you can apply, right? Or for the entire line, you can apply like this. That is the background text. But for the entire line, you cannot apply the highlight, right? Unless the line is filled, you cannot apply highlight to the entire line. මේ line එක fill වෙලා තිබ්බොත් පුළුවන් මේව spaces හරි මොනවා හරි ගහලා මේ line එක fill කරලා තිබ්බොත් පුළුවන්. If you fill the line, you can add highlights. But the thing is, if you have not filled the line, you will not be able to add highlight to the entire line. But you can add a fill color to the entire line. Fill color, it's possible to add to the entire line. මුළු line එකටම fill color එක add කරන්න පුළුවන්. There's a small difference. There's a small difference, and you can apply any color to fill the color. Any color you can apply to fill it. And let's see here, I have applied fill and highlight both. Then the text will be highlighted and the line is filled. I can even use fill and highlight both. So understand the difference, right?
Excuse me, sir. The tab
Okay,
is
Basu,
also
I put the
highlighted.
note. So
Was
So the
we'll this first. So
tab
can you
also
understand the fill and highlight differences now? Highlight will mainly highlight the text, but fill can be used to highlight the text and line also. You can use highlight inside. So once you fill, let's say here, this is the fill color. I'm filling orange color. It will fill the entire line orange. Then I can highlight a section of that in maybe green color and section of that in red color. Another section of that in blue color maybe. So these are highlights.
සර් එතකොට මේ මොන හරි වර්ඩ් එකක් මේ හයි මේ සිලෙක්ට් කරලා ඒක ෆිල් කරොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ?
Yeah, if you select and fill a word, you can see here. So here, if you try to select and fill a word.
කොටස ලයින් එකම මේ ෆිල් වෙනවද?
No, yeah, so since I have selected the line is filled. Otherwise, if you sorry.
excuse me, sir. The tab also we can fill colors, sir, right?
Yeah. If you select a word, you can fill that particular word.
So the tab.
But you have to
So the
remove the
tab-
highlight, right? You have to remove the highlight.
Okay.
Here, the shoot is highlight, system is fill. Word එකක් වුණත් fill කරන්න පුළුවන්. But before that, you have to remove the highlight, right? If you are filling, you have to remove the highlight. Then you can fill. This part you can fill. Okay, let's say you want to fill it this purple color. That's possible. No need to fill the entire line. You can select and fill the particular part. But what will happen if you highlight? The field will be again highlighted. So that is highlighting.
Sir, can you go back to the note for a bit?
Okay, sure. That is filling, highlighting, and also you can change the text. So if you wish, you can change the text font color using this. So these are the points. Right. So here's the note. Take a copy quickly. Take a screenshot. Okay, fill. It will apply a background fill. Even the entire line. Highlight. 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 Fill will highlight will highlight. Actually, highlight will highlight the selected text. You can highlight a background field text too. That means you can apply highlight over a background, but you can't apply background over a highlight. Highlight එකක් දාලා තියෙන එක උඩින් background එකක් දාන්න බෑ. Background එකක් දාලා තියෙන එක උඩින් highlight එකක් දාන්න පුළුවන්. Okay. Right, then here is an image and you can see some text over there. This is an image and there is a text too. Right, these are bulleted points. You can see these are bulleted points. So I want you to write down the same. So you can see the plant, it has a shoot system, root system. So the functions are written in front of that. So I need to do the same. But instead of these bullets that has a solid color bullets, no, you can see these are dots. I need to put a picture of plant. So what actually I need here, I need, instead of this bullet, I need a picture of a plant, a tree maybe, a plant or tree. So then here also another plant or tree. Actually, I'm asking you to change the style of these bulleted points. So other things you have to keep the same. You can take a screenshot, but don't. So this you can't take from the picture. This you can't take from the picture. These also you can't take from the picture. But the other parts, this can be taken. This can be captured as a picture. Others don't capture. Others you need to create. Okay, do this now.
Sir,
Yes.
we can choose a picture from internet too, sir, right?
Yeah, you can take a picture from internet too. That is okay. Okay, do this now. Quickly. Look at the picture and do this. Do the same. Bullet style need to be changed. That is the only thing. Other things can keep the same.
Sir, do you have to do it on docs or Word?
Anything that you like. So if you can do in Word, okay. If you're doing in Google Docs, that's also okay. But I think prefer if you can do this in Word, MS Word. It's good. Right, good. It is better if you can use maybe kind of PNG as a tree, right? So let's go to the bullet change in place. Change bullet place එක bullet change කරපු තැනට. එතනට ගියා. Define new bullet, okay. Picture. You can search for tree PNG. Tree space PNG.
Sir, I added the part of it.
All right, okay. This is good. So now you can add, either this clip art, something like that. That is, yes. Insert it. It will take some time, but clip art's also good, right? Clip art's also good because it is also having this transparent layer, right? When there is a transparent layer, so that is good because like why? Then otherwise that will be square shape. Yeah, square එකක් වගේ පේන්නේ. Just cancel it, Puti. Just cancel it and try to add the other one. Second one maybe. Yeah, that one. It's right. Okay, that is good, right? Okay, you can see. Can you apply the same style there? That is good, right? Because otherwise the transparent layer is not there, it looks little awful. Right, okay. Anyone else wish to share? Anyone else wish to share?
Sir, half හදලා තියෙන විනාඩිය දුන්න.
So I'll tell you how to change the bullet style, right? Because still we didn't discuss that, no? I'll tell you how to change the bullet style. Quickly, Pute, don't take much time. Select define new bullet style, right? From the bullet, define new bullet style, then use picture. So there are few options. One is you can just search for tree, search tree, whether do you have tree? No, the tree, gaha tree, TRE tree. Go, click on go and check whether it's searching for tree. No such thing. And you can just import, go to import. Click on import. No, import. button in the bottom. Then, right, then you can give any downloaded picture there. If you have not downloaded yet, just go to Google Chrome. If you have not downloaded, please go to Google Chrome and download one. Download කරපුවා නැත්නම් Google Chrome එකට ගිහිල්ලා download කරන්න පුතේ.
පොඩක් stuck වෙලා sir.
All right, okay. So while it loads, you can go to Google Chrome and download, right?
Okay sir.
If or you have to just wait for some time until it fixes. Yes, Rehanza. Okay. Anyone else?
Sir, may I share?
Sure. Please share the. Okay, good. Yeah, you have done that. Good. But I saw Pute, can you share again? These brackets you have taken from the picture, it seems, Minulya. The braces brackets, have you taken that from the picture?
Sir, I forgot to crop that part.
Yeah, you had to try actually remove that and you have to add by inserting. You have to go to insert menu. Please go to insert. Insert menu, there are something called shape. From the shape, there is something, you can see the curly braces. Just draw the curly braces without taking it from the internet. And increase the size and the color. Line weight and the color, yes. That you need to do. Okay then. All right. Let's move to the next part. The next part is basically you have alignments and filling. So this is easy, right? Once you type a paragraph, right? Once you insert a paragraph or once you type a paragraph, so you can select it. So let's say you have a paragraph equal. I'm going to type a random paragraph equal rand. I need 6 paragraph each with 3 lines. Okay, here it is. So let me remove the highlighted color. No color to highlight and no fill as well. So what has happened? No fill, no highlights. So what is that? Let's change. Okay. No fill, no highlights. I have removed that. Then if you need to align, so select it first. Then you have multiple options. One option is left align. That is the default. Center will align this to the center. And if you are selecting the other side, which is, this is right align. It's aligned to the right border. And the next is justify, align to both borders. So it will balance, it will be balanced because it's aligned to the both borders, it will be balanced one. Right, and the next thing is, so these bullets, you learn how to put the bullets and also the number in, we'll put number in. So there are 6 paragraphs, so 6 numbers, 6 bullet points, and you know how to change the bullet points also now. Number styles, there are different number styles. So styles like 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, or Roman numbers, Roman capital numbers, simple letters, capital letters. These multiple options are there for numbers and bullets. So these are the bullets, but you can import any bullet or you can define your own bullet when find the bullets. This is for the numbers and bullets. Bullet define karane kohomada? Define new bullet point. Then you can take a picture or bullet point or change the font or change the size. All these things can be done. Right. Then the line spacing, the space between lines, you can increase that. Here see, When I increase this, the line gap will be increased. Here too, better if you can maintain 1.15, that is clear. But 1 is too tight, seems, right? 1 is too tight. But if you can maintain 1.15, it's something readable, clear. So that is to the line style. And the next is you can increase the indent and decrease the indent. Increase means it's going forward. Decrease means coming back again to the border. You can increase the border by, not border actually, starting position by increasing it. This is tab. Shortcut is tab. Shift tab is the reverse. Tab is the forward. Shift tab to reverse. But you have to select, right? Tab shift tab. So that is the style. Okay. So now we have learned about that as well. And also the fill color, you can see when I fill a color, it fills the entire thing. So that is using fill color, right? It's not just the lines, fill all the gaps too. And there are more colors. You can go there and apply different colors like this. And you can apply from the spectrum or color pencils. Different options are there. From there, you can select a color and apply it to the. Okay, that's it. Right. If you want to add a background to this, you can go to insert. There you can insert tables. Tables, you know that to show the data in tabular format, you need tables. And then you have insert option to picture. So you can browse or you can select picture from file. So let's select picture from file. And I need to add, so let's see, I need to add this picture. Okay, then I need to add this picture as a background. Then I can right click on the picture, wrap text behind the text. How? Right click on the picture, wrap text and behind the text. Then that will be applied as the background text. You can see here. But text is not clear. Then what you can do? The text is not clear. Any options? Anything that you can do for that? I have applied the background, but the text is not clear.
So we have to change text color.
Yes, you can click on the picture, go to format picture, and so what you can do? You can reduce the color. You can reduce the brightness. You can reduce the color, or you can make it less bright. So that is one thing. Or you can make it transparent like this. Then the picture is slightly visible. Or you can just use something like this. Then the picture is slightly visible. It's not disturbing the text in front of that. That can be done. And you can change the picture by cropping it. If you want to crop the text and apply only this part, just it's like that, and you can apply the particular image by cropping it. Okay, that's it. All these are possibilities. Okay, now you saw some samples. I have actually taught that little faster, but don't worry, I'll be teaching that again in detail with the practical exercises that we are going to do in the workbook, right? For the moment, I just wanted to show something, what you can do, etc. This is for the magazines and all. You are doing something like this. Okay, let's write the text. Just indent the text. Select the text and indent it. Oh, sorry. Okay, now you can see. So these kind of things you can do with, or you can add the, when designing the, so you can add the shape by inserting a shape. So to highlight the text, let's add a shape. And shape should be sent to the background. I want white color shape with no outline, and I need to send it to the background. So I'm wrapping text again behind the text. And also I'm changing the fill color to, can I make this transparent? Is there anything? Shape fill, no. I think this can be used to make it transparent. Gradient fill, texture fill, is there? No fill colors. Do I have the transparency? No.
No fill was
Opacity.
on top, sir.
Here opacity can be reduced, right? I think yes, that will make it transparent. Can you see? Now you can highlight the, background a little because the text is transparent. Likewise, you can do the formatting, and these are like, you know, the magazine style text and all. You can do that with some formatting. Okay, now by using that knowledge, you have to do something. So this is a homework, right? You can start this by now itself. You can start. You can change the pictures, but you are not allowed to change the colors, or you are not allowed to change the text styles, right? But only thing that you can change is pictures. Pictures venas karanna puluwa. Colors venas karanna epa. Text venas karanna epa. Text style venas karanna epa. Shapes venas karanna epa. Only change the pictures. You are allowed to change pictures only. So you have to redesign this brochure or leaflet using your word or your layouting or your designing skills, word processing skills, basically. Okay, take a snapshot of this, take a photo or take a screenshot of this. Next week, before next week, I need you to submit this as, right? Random paragraph, how to type random paragraph, equal RAND, I have taught this several times, right? Equal RAND, then the number of paragraphs and the number of lines that you need. Okay, take a snapshot. Next week, I'll be checking this. So do it as a homework.
අර CV template එක ලකුණු දාලා තිබුණේ නැහැ sir.
නෑ දාලා තිබ්බේ නෑ. ඒකත් මම review කරන්න ඕන. I couldn't review, sorry for that. I'll check it. Then good night. See you all next week.
That's
I
all.
did the
Nice,
practical,
sir. Thank
can
you,
I
sir.
share? I did the practical, can I share?
Which one, Pute?
The previous one, sir, not this one.
Oh,
The
okay.
parts of the tree.
Okay, quickly share it. Okay, good. Right. Good that you have that. Okay. Do this one as well. Then good night.
Okay, so good night.